Alright y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing y'all step by step the easiest way to go ahead and make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. So for those of you that never really seen success with ClickBank, Max Bounty, JBZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever, for whatever reason, competition, the offers just being bad, not converting, I'm going to show y'all an easy, super easy way to go ahead and start making $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Now the products I'm going to be showing y'all has little to no competition. It converts like crazy, and this is pretty much how I've been making my living. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. But before we get into this video, one thing I'm about to start doing now is subscriber challenges, where basically I'm going to be picking random subscribers out of the comment section to basically run traffic for them and see if I can get them to sale within 24, 48 hours. I don't know, whatever challenge I'm gonna set up. So if you want to enter the giveaway, whatever you want to call it, to be featured in my next video, all you gotta do is like this video, comment your Instagram name down below. You can leave something else with it, like a positive comment, really don't matter. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I drop a video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the strategy is actually very simple. I know I've been talking about it here and there on my YouTube channel the last few months or whatever, but this is something a lot of course creators has been using to generate tens of thousands of dollars. Some people like me over $100,000. Now I run Facebook ads, I ran YouTube ads, all that good stuff, but real profit right now is using Instagram influencers. And I got this page pulled up right here called Black Millionaires, where they basically highlight all the successful black people that's up and coming, black entrepreneurs and stuff like that. So what I did was I went on their page, and you can see they got 564,000 followers. Now, what's sweet about these kind of pages right now, and this is kind of like one of the most booming industries right now, just promoting digital stuff or e-com stuff on these type of pages. These pages, they build up the followers to a point where they build up the followers, they build up the influence to a point where all you gotta do is showcase your product or affiliate offer in front of them, and it'll just be 10 times easier to get sales because they already built up the authority, versus running Facebook ads to people that never ever, basically never seen you before. It's just harder to convert. But when you're using Instagram influencers like a page like this, Black Millionaires, with 500,000 followers inside a specific niche, it converts at a higher rate, which is why a lot of people, as you can see, almost every other post on here is somebody promoting their course, their ebook, their business, they promoting stuff. So it's easy to find pages like this. Once you find one, all you do is just click the drop down menu, you can find a bunch more in the suggested tab. It's going to show you a bunch of related pages. So the example that I'm going to be using and showing y'all inside this video is from this girl right here. Did a little bit of research on her. She made a post with this page, and mind you, these pages, they charge anywhere from pages with like $500,000 and up, they charge 100 plus for a shout out. But even though you're paying 100 plus for a shout out, if you're selling a $50 product, you only need 2 sales to break even. Every sale after that is pure profit. You can see, one day ago, 2,000 likes. How many comments on here? They got 190 comments. So if we go through her carousel, that's basically what it's called, where you got to basically swipe to look at all the other images. So if we read it, how to make $2,000 per month for free by collecting emails or leads. Swipe. Next slide. First, sign up for a lead pan network. I would personally recommend the network Max Bounty, which I'm pretty sure most of y'all that's watching this video is already in. It's free to join them, and they have hundreds of lead pan offers. Once you accept in the network, pick a niche and filter the offers to show all the lead pan offers in that niche you chose. Loans, insurance, tax offers have the highest lead payouts. $20 per lead just for filling out a simple just for filling out a short, simple form. It says something like that, I already know. Next, create a simple landing page for your offer. If you don't know how to, you can get one made on Fiverr for under $20. Then join Facebook groups and niche your offer, share, earn commissions every time somebody fill out the short form. Boom. I use the same strategy and pull over $2,000 a week. I made basically $3,000 in 6 days collecting emails and leads for free. As you can see, this is her payment proof from Max Bounty. And on the last slide, it says, if you want to learn my strategies on affiliate marketing and how I earn commissions without having to make a sale, you can grab my ebook right now. It's 50% off for the next 50 people. Boom. So what she's doing is basically giving a lot of upfront value up front, and instead of just, oh, buy my course 50% off, I can show you how to make $3,000 per month. She give you basically a summary of what she's doing in these slides. So she got, what is this? About six different slides giving a bunch of free value, and then showing income proof, and then a call to action. If you want to learn this strategy, buy the course, 30% off the next 50 people. And when I went to go check out her page, right here, she got 2,800 followers, 2,000 likes on her last post. Post before that, 191. She basically, that's all you gotta do is find pages like Black Millionaires or any other entrepreneur. Another page I know that's not tailored towards Black entrepreneurs is the Brand Startup. That's another big page. Right here. I even advertised with them before and made a lot of money with them. They got 708,000 followers, and in fact, if I go back, I know I'm kind of all over the place right now, but going back to her page real quick, just to show y'all, if I click the link in her bio, it's gonna take us to right here. We can basically subscribe to her YouTube channel or buy her ebook. If we go check it out, right here, $97, use code email money for additional 50% off. Basically, the description of the course. Who is this for? Affiliates, entrepreneurs, blah, blah, blah. Now, the reason why I made this video, where is it? Right here. Ebook commission guide. If you know her product is converting, which I'm about to show y'all her Instagram story, she showed some income proof of basically what the advertisement, the results of the advertisement that I just showed y'all got her. So this advertisement right here, she was showing income proof of how many sales she made promoting her product. Now right here, as you can see, ebook commission guide, how you can earn 50% commissions every time you share Commission Academy. So you can basically become a part of her course and promote it and get 50% commissions. Like I said, if you promote a $100 course, you're getting paid $50. And let's say, I want to see the exact number that they charge for a shout out. So right here, we go to their website, blackmillionaires.com. Let's scroll down, looking for their promo package. Where is it? Should be on here somewhere. Hold on. I'm looking for. I'm trying to find, because they got a field where you can basically buy a shout out on here. I was looking at it on my phone already, but I can't find it right now. I don't know why. But I think they charge like $100 for a 24-hour post, I believe. I don't know why it's not on here right now. But let me see. Promo. Still didn't come up. Let me see. Shout out. Nope. Alright, I can't find it. But I did look at it earlier and they charged like around $100 for a shout out. But like I said, if you promote this $100 product and you're getting 50% commissions on it, that's $50. You only need 2 sales to break even. Out of all these people that like that post, 2,000 people that like this post, you only need 2 people to actually go and buy that product right then and there. That's like the easiest thing to do. I've been doing it myself. I'm actually about to show y'all my Stripe account once I'm done showing the rest of that's all I want to do, show y'all her story. So if we go to her Insta story, we go back, let's see. Oh man, because the story that I wanted to show y'all was probably from 15 hours ago. As you can see, it's already expired on her Insta story, but she basically making a lot of money promoting this product, long story short. And if her product is good and it's converting, you can promote the same exact thing and like I said, get 50% commissions on it and basically start killing it with affiliate marketing. I know a lot of y'all promote max bounty offers, clickbank offers, and y'all haven't really seen the success that y'all wanted. It's because of competition, offers banned on certain platforms and stuff like that. You know, just it could be a number of things. So if you wanted a high converting affiliate offer to promote, you know what I'm saying, you could easily just go scroll down pages like this, find different influencers or whatever that promote their products and see if you can become an affiliate of them and then get paid 50% commissions that way. Like I said, I'm basically doing the same thing she's doing. I find pages like this inside of my niche, the entrepreneur, make money online niche, pay them for shout outs, promote my course, and basically make easy money. As you can see, I made $93,000, and that's just in the Stripe account. I made a lot of money via Cash App, a lot of money via PayPal, so that's not even accounted for. But I made well over $100,000 promote my course. Like I said, I use Facebook ads before, YouTube as before, but right now Instagram influencers is my #1 tracking service at the moment. To basically sum this video up, man, you can promote, there's other affiliate offers you can promote that's way higher converting offers than ClickBank, Max Bounty, the general affiliate networks. You can find small entrepreneurs that's giving away 50% commissions on their course, kind of like how I am, how she is, and probably if you scroll down this page, you can probably find 100 different people promoting courses that have an affiliate program attached to it. ClickBank and Max Bounty is not the only affiliate networks that you can go and make money from. So that's pretty much the sum of this video. Like I said, if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment down below if you want to enter that subscriber giveaway where I'm gonna try to make a subscriber a sale within 24 48 hours. Just comment your Instagram username and make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video, and I'll see you in the next one.